Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get ringlet curls with just a flat iron and a pencil. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you guys, I get it. Look, not everybody wants to go out and buy a 1/2-inch curling wand. Not everybody wants to go do that, right? They could be costly. Curling iron, heat tools in general are costly, so I'm gonna just basically show you how you can get the same result, just to show y'all right here. Oh, I almost broke my comb. There's a crack. I'm gonna split this in half. I'm going to show you just a small piece. I have a ceramic flat iron and a ceramic curling wand. Just gonna crocodile clip this up here. I'm gonna comb out some hair. Now, let me go ahead and I'm gonna straighten just a second, just a little bit, because I had just used a curling iron on here. There is a difference. Okay, this is my mannequin, by the way. My mannequin does have a name, and her name is Julia Jade. I wish I could tell. Okay. Wish I could tell you I came up with that name, but not really sure. So I'm gonna take a section down here. It's a small little section. I'm gonna put the rest of the hair up. I'll clip it. I'm gonna show you what you do with the wand, and I'll show you how you can get the same result with a pencil. So you're gonna wanna just move it all the way down like this. You're making sure it's pointed down. I mean that's kind of the gist, but y'all, it was not what was intended at all. Mix it, not mix, but like twirl it. Twirl, hold a second, let go, ringlet. That's a ringlet right there. I'll do one or maybe 2 or 3 more for y'all. The smaller the section, the more defined your curl is gonna be, depending on how close they are together. It's one thing I can confidently say. You're gonna go down like this. You're gonna twist. You're just gonna twirl it around. You wanna hold it just for a second, okay? Twirl, hold, then let go. Look at that ringlet, okay? It's supposed to define the natural curls that are already there. That's what a wand is supposed to do, is define the natural curls that are already there, but also still be tight ringlets. So it either defines your curls or just makes tight ringlets. Basically your choice. But it is it's very easy to burn yourself with, I will say that. Just because look at it, like you have to get that close to your face and there's no safeguard except for at the top. So don't burn your face. We're gonna do 4. We're gonna do 4 right here. Some are bigger than the others, but hopefully you just, get the gist of it. Got our 4 here. Now let me tell you, get a pencil. Don't get a mechanical pencil unless you want that thing to melt and you have melted pencil inlet in your hair. Here are our curls with a 1/2-inch curling wand. Both are ceramic. I love ceramic. It's my favorite product. I guess material of Hot Tool. Now we're gonna go ahead and just comb some hair up here. It's tangled at the top. The thinner the comb, by the way, there's like dust coming out of this. I need to wash this mannequin's hair. Even though I washed it last video, I'm pretty sure. It's just straight hairs. Okay. So I'm gonna take a piece from the front, a small piece. I'm gonna clip this other section back. Okay, I'm gonna do a little test up here. Straightening the hair. Straighten hair. There it is. Straight hair. Pencil. I'm using a number 2 pencil. It does not matter what number your pencil is. I mean, so for it. You are going to take the hair, start up at the, I guess you could start at the eraser. I always start at the eraser when I first did this. I have only done it once and it actually worked out really well. Start off at the eraser. You're going to twirl the hair around like this. If you get to the end and you run out, try and scrunch some hair up from the top. Okay. Hold the hair at the end, because if it's tight enough, the pencil back here will support itself. Take your flat iron, take the hair on the pencil and you're gonna like rub the flat iron against the pencil, or you can like tap it or rub it. It doesn't really matter, honestly. But just want to make sure you're getting your little ringlets. By the way, I'm on a mannequin. So I'm on a mannequin. I'm doing methods where even if it's gonna, it might burn you, but it's not gonna burn your mannequin. This here, what I'm doing here on the face, I would not do this on my face like this. I would go back. I would do it from the back. So I would move the hair back instead of at the front of my face. I go to the back of my face, and I bring the curl front when I was done. You want to kind of leave it on here just a bit longer, but I feel like it's a good thing, so I'm gonna let it go. It's a bit looser, honestly. So we're gonna do a second one. This one kind of looks like the first one, if I'm being honest. From the curling wand, it looks kind of like the first one. So I don't think I'll do the entire one, just because it takes a really long time, you know? Clip it. Flat iron. Flat iron. Flat iron. Pencil. Swirl. Okay. Swirling it tighter this time at the bottom, just so that way hopefully it works out in my favor. And then I'm gonna hold it at the bottom as well, and I'm just gonna flat iron it at all angles. I did this once and it worked out for me, and then I got a curling one like the next day. That's exactly what happened to me, so for real. I did this exactly one time, like once or twice in the same day, in the same hour. Then like the very next day or two, I got a curling wand. That's exactly what happened to me, so for real. Let it go. Look at it. Look at it, okay? Look. Look at it. That's beautiful, and it blends in. I did that, and it worked out. I was like, okay, that's useful, so if that ever breaks, I got a flat iron. And don't worry, I will explain the difference. There are different materials of flat irons, too. But we'll do one more. This is going to be the last one that I do. I'm going to split this in half. Small strand right here. Small strand of hair, very thin, so it shouldn't need to stay on long, making the twirls tighter together. Basically just what I'm trying to do here. It's very split ends, very dead hair. This is human hair on this mannequin, by the way. Okay, same method. No mechanical pencils, no plastic pencils, no pencils with the random like Valentine's pencils you get at school during Valentine's Day that you can get people. No using those. A bare pencil just like this. Here's our tiny ringlet. There you are. No bare pencils. Please. No bare pencils. No bears on your pencils. Straight up pencil like this. No paints. No lead showing. No lead showing. I don't want you messing up your curling iron or your flat iron or any kind of iron with lead. Please don't do that. But here it is. You know, your ringlets. I've made better ringlets, let's just be honest. But yeah, I think it worked out pretty well. And if you wanted that tutorial, if you don't want to spend money on this pencil, any kind of flat iron should do, and you got what you want. And I will see y'all in the next one.